Hi guys, it's Carla with Carla Dreyer Design, and today I'm going to show you how to create a really fun bohemian bedroom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new video. So today I wanted to show you how you can create a room that maybe has a little bit of a certain style, but you can keep the base really neutral to change it up anytime. So we wanted to do bohemian style in here, but the first thing we did was we chose the actual bed, as that's always my first tip in the bedroom. Choose the bed that you love. So we went with a really simple bed in a beautiful wood. It works well with this bohemian style, but if we wanted to change that up, it's no big deal, and it would change up easily to other styles as well. We then, when we looked at furniture, we did the matching side tables. Now, I am not usually one for matchy, but sometimes in a small room and when you've got other things and other layers going on, it's actually nice to just keep it the same so it sort of blends in with the rest of the room. So next I want to move on to bedding. So bedding for this, again, we just went with the actual white simple bedding, but we added really fun layers and textures. So to get that bohemian, we added a nice throw blanket here and a couple really fun pillows. But again, if the homeowner wants to change that up later, it's super easy to take that off and you could have a completely different look. Next tip is I want to say, don't ignore above the bed. Now, I see a lot of times people want to finish off their bedrooms, and I think a space we don't often think of is the area above the bed. So in this case, we had these baskets that we were going to use for styling in the kitchen, to be honest, and we thought, why not just put them up on the wall? They were really inexpensive, easy to hang, and it adds such a textural element that then goes with the bohemian theme. But again, if you were going with a different type of look, you could have a mirror, you could have a photograph. I love wall light, looks great above a bed. So just don't forget about that area. It's a real opportunity for you to add some decor and fun. And then I want to talk about lighting. So bedside table lamps, they don't always have to be your typical bedside table lamp. So sometimes thinking out of the box is really fun. Here I actually went with a lamp that you might put in an office or somewhere. It's sort of a task lamp, but it really adds a really fun element and plays off almost the bohemian theme. Sometimes it's good to create a little bit of tension in the room, and going with an industrial sort of task light like this just seems a bit unexpected. Okay, and then last, you want to just accessorize, and this is where you have fun. So this rug is actually from Morocco, so beautiful, soft on the feet. I always like a rug to go about halfway in on the bed, but create such texture, so please do put a rug under your bed. And then just adding fun elements like woven baskets or poofs, wall art. We've got all kinds of things in here that, again, you can change out over time, but really make it feel cozy and warm and textural. But before decorating any room, including a bedroom, you need to know what your personal design style is. So I've included my free Finding Your Design Style quiz, and you can link to it below. If you liked this video, make sure to like it, hit the subscribe button, and share with your family and friends. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.